have a crazy idea. I wanna prank everyone. And to do this, I have taken this speaker. You might have seen it. I'm setting the minimum volume, let's check it. There we go, connecting through Bluetooth. Crap, that was too loud. Turning on the sound. The wolves howling. I'm gonna turn it on tonight. Let's hide the speaker over here. Like that. This is it. The sound will turn into echo, and it's going to be so natural. So the guys will not suspect anything. Of course I will use the maximum volume then. Let me show you how it works. Creepy, isn't it? Oh my gosh, it's so scary. Alright, let's go prank. Not this way. Damn it. Go to the balcony. They seem to be in the hallway. That is so scary, my heart sank. Oh my gosh. Let's get out of here. Damn it, there are too many. Crap. Oh my gosh, monsters. Are they here? They're everywhere. Is anyone outside? They're on the other side. That side. Oh my gosh, everywhere. Holy wolves. So what are we gonna do? Hush. There we are, guys. Holy wolves. Oh my gosh. So they heard us, right? Yeah. Who are you calling? It's going to be music soon. Alright, that's enough. Let's tell him. Let's end this. Dima, call him later. We must tell you something important. That's urgent. What? Dude, that was a prank. Dude, we have done that. We have downloaded some wolf sounds and hit a speaker down there and turned them on, bro. We must go and get it, otherwise we'll have some music heard by the entire Pripyat. Are you serious? Now I'm gonna hear this. And you started calling. So we had to tell you about it, or else you would scare everyone. Sorry about that, bro. Hush, hush, everyone. I told you we had to turn it off. For real? Quickly, go turn it off. Otherwise everyone will hear us. Come on, go. Oh my, we blocked the door. Turn it off. Yeah, we're going. Boy, that is too loud. I got chills, dude. We should have stopped it earlier. Of course, that was too much. Actually, that was a trick. As a result, I turned out to be the only one they played a joke at. From one side, that hurts, because it seemed to be a real problem, and I even started solving it. The wolves problem, imagine that. They were howling and everyone in the area heard that. And I thought, oh my gosh, they're howling too loud. Where are they now? I thought they were everywhere. I thought there were about 15 or 10, because the sounds were coming from everywhere. And only when I started calling, the guy stopped me and said that was a prank. But I couldn't realize that for 5 minutes after this. Yeah, he didn't believe us. And then the howling turned into music and... damn it. When I heard howling, I couldn't remember that it was a prank. I thought we were having troubles for real. And only later I realized, yeah, that was a prank that Alex made. I just haven't heard the sounds, and so... So that means you haven't filmed any wolves. Where? The camera. We're gonna check it out. Maybe there was something. Let's go. Now I realize why we were this brave to stand against wolves. Let's go and see what this cam got. I hope no one has stolen it. Yeah, Quiet, it's all open there. Why did you close the door? No changes, nothing been there. Is the camera okay? Yeah, there it is. As it seems, no one has been there. That sucks. Wait a sec. It seems intact. Maybe someone was there. We don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Picking up the camera. The rain sound is so nice. Yeah, we're watching the record of the night. Of the entrance cam. And we have already got the mouse. Fancy that. There, it's taking food. It pulls a loaf of bread. Show it. There. See the white dot? Yeah. It was dragging from its place. Oh my gosh, yeah, holy moly! Are there only mice in Pripyat? I wish there was a raccoon or something. Let's see if there is anything else. Maybe there are some new traces. Maybe there was a raccoon or something else. Or a foxy. I don't think they were wolves. Look, it's pulling it! There, over here. Do you see the bread moving? Holy moly. It stole it. Yeah, we haven't filmed any wolves or large animals. But at least we have filmed a mouse. That's awesome. And we saw the mouse dragging some food to its home. Hey guys, this may sound crazy, but we have seen some mushrooms growing nearby, right here in Pripyat. So we're gonna collect these mushrooms. Have you got a dosimeter with you? Sure thing, in my pocket. So there are eatable mushrooms. We have seen some morels and porcini mushrooms. Really? They're eatable in theory. Maybe. So we're gonna check them without dosimeter. And if they are good, why not to eat them today? I don't see any mushrooms yet. Take a look at these toy cars. It seems to be some vandals threw them, all over the place, from the children's garden. Anton. See, there must be some mushrooms. A nice one here. It's a chanterelle.
No.
It's very little. I think it's edible. Smells good. We are afraid that these mushrooms can be hallucinogenic, so we don't take them. We're gonna pick up only big ones. I've got an idea. Let's spread out. Okay, we're gonna have better chances to find something. What's there? They're small, dude. Little ones? Where are big ones? Look at this field. Wait, some toadstools. Oh my gosh, look what we found. Wait, don't break it. Don't. It is very fragile. Who knows well about mushrooms? We're gonna Google these mushrooms. Don't worry, using photos. Beautiful. Yeah, film it well, please. Someone stepped on it. It's beautiful. Anton, the radiation rate here is a bit higher than normal. But it's close to normal, isn't it? I hope that the rate is high here from the fuels that lie deeper in the soil. And I hope the mushrooms are safe. I've got an idea. Let's collect these mushrooms and boil them. Then measure the radiation rate again. I think that would be the right thing. We just don't have other mushrooms. It's January, winter. There are few mushrooms in January. We don't have a choice. We're going to cut them off carefully. More. Cut it near the root. Mushrooms must be cut from the bottom. In this way they can grow up again. That's it. Let's cover it. Look at it. It smells really good. Smells forest. It has a rich mushroom smell. The cap smells the most. I really wanted to find some meslata, but they seem to be not growing this season. Imagine, I've never cut mushrooms before. Is it fat or something? Let me finish. We've got it. There are some dots. There are dots, but it isn't wormy. There is a special way to find out if the mushrooms are poisonous. We need to put an onion with them, and if it turns blue, the mushrooms are not edible. If it doesn't change, we can eat them. I wouldn't eat the raw... I don't. Are you tasting? Yeah. What if there's poison? How is it? Tasteless. Damn it. We should cook it properly. I read somewhere you can bite mushrooms. Even poisonous mushrooms. Nothing will happen to you. The main thing, you need to spit it out and don't swallow anything. It's high time to cook our super cool mushrooms. Here they are. We're gonna clean them, but first we must clean our hands. You need to peel the dirt off. Those are pretty clean. The dirt? We better use some water. Water is precious here. There we go. Dry them with napkins. They're so cool, look at them. I wanna film it better. For a start, we need to find out, can we eat them or not? I think that an onion is too much. We better cut off a piece of it. Yeah, there it is. Let's cut a slice. I think that's enough for a test. There we go. We need to save water, we don't have much of it. And we use our favorite burner, it saves us. The mushrooms are boiling, the onion hasn't turned blue. And that's good news. But it's not over yet. Yeah, we'll be boiling them 15 minutes more. The onion is not soft yet. And the onion is not blue, and it all looks very tasty. The mushrooms have changed their color a little. Look at these caps. Let's measure the rate. Put it close. Looks funny, isn't it? The steam goes inside, and it stopped making sounds. All is good, guys. The rate is even better than normal. So the radiation was coming from the soil, isn't it? Yeah, it was coming from the ground. Oh, we're gonna taste it, so... It smells awesome. What do you say? Does it have the radiation taste? No, it's very tasty. It has the taste of forest. Mushrooms. So you wanna try it? Let me make you a bombastic sandwich. It is called the Pripyat burger. And the most important thing here is the technology of preparation. Smell it. The next step is the assembly. The final step. Oh my, it looks not bad. So you wanna try it? Here's your burger, sir. Oh, thank you. Fresh and juicy. That is awesome, Alex. Wanna try it? It's cool. He has a grand appetite. Yeah, only one bite left. Look at him. That is better than dried rations. It's a higher level. Yeah, it's fresh and cool. Yeah, fresh. Juicy. We've got some real troubles, guys. That was my worst fear. Dima is feeling bad. He has a terrible stomachache. Now he can't even move or talk. The good thing I have taken some pills. I will find some painkillers for him, so he could rest. We didn't expect this happen. How are you, Dima? Bad. I've got 2 packs. You can read it. Nimesil, the painkiller. Dima, sorry, but I'm filming. Please, try to drink it, friend. Oh no, my head. You need to drink that and have rest. Half an hour. It will help you a lot. Slowly. Come on. This is it, bro, you made it. That's it, now he must have some rest. Now rest, you're gonna feel better soon. Do you feel pain near the ribs or in the stomach? Near the ribs, over there. I don't know, maybe it is a spasm or something.